Doesn't that look lovely? And yes, that was done by AI. Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a video where young meets old, young actors and celebrities standing next to their present selves. Cool, right? Yeah, I know, and I saw this trend on X, and it is very popular. So, let's get started. First, you need to know which celebrity you want to include in the video. So, we will do Arnold Schwarzenegger first. Now, look for an image from him where he is young and save it to your computer. And now look for one image of him from this year and save it also. Now we go to Higgsfield, go to Image, and then to Create Image. Now, select an image model that also works with reference images, like for example, Nano Banana Pro. Now we add the two images from Arnold that we've saved before. Now we will write the following prompt: the young Arnold Schwarzenegger as the Terminator, and the old Arnold Schwarzenegger standing next to each other at the Hollywood Walk of Fame. And now generate it. While it is generating, let's get images for our next celebrity. Sylvester Stallone. Okay, now we will add the new reference images, and we will simply change a few words in the prompt and generate it again. Look at that! Our first image is ready and it looks stunning. I will do this same process also for Leonardo DiCaprio, Adriana Lima and Donald Trump. Our images are ready to go. Now we will go to Video and then choose Create Video. We will use the Kling 2.5 Turbo model to create the images. Now for the starting frame, we will add the Arnold Schwarzeneggers, and for the ending frame, we will add the Sylvesters. For the prompt, I will write, they walk away and the other come. Now generate it. Now we swap the images, delete the end frame, and add a new image. This time it is Leonardo DiCaprio. Let me generate all the rest now. Here is our first result. Guys, to be honest, our prompt wasn't the best. Be also sure to add smooth transition. Here is the before and after. Okay, once you've generated and downloaded all the videos, add them to a video editing software and put them in the right order. Last but not least, I will generate some music in Music Creator. I only gave it as a prompt, epic music, and this was the result. Isn't that amazing? Well, yeah, it is, and I added it to the final video, and now I can call it a day. See you in the next video. Bye!